Thank you for coming by. This is an American project. Please be sure to like and subscribe. I'm pushing for that 1,000 mark, and I need your help to get there. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Well, I found a couple videos that are really troubling, to say the least, of Letitia James. I was really shocked to see them. You would not believe how much she snarls in them. Just take a look at some of these clips here that I have. She's snarling her face as she's sitting there saying that she doesn't believe the outcome of the election of 2016. She's an election denier. Now, I have the full clip so you can see for yourself and see what you think. I was absolutely shocked to see these videos. I couldn't believe it. And I was like, well, it explains a lot. Like, why is she doing what she's doing, and working with the other judge over there in New York. It just really puts you in the mind of not being so honest, you know. It just seems like a vendetta of some kind is going on over there. So let's take a look at the video, and then we'll discuss it some more.
Illegitimate president who sits in the White House. That president, because he's not my president, he's an illegitimate president.
Now, if you've been paying attention at all as to what the Democrats have been saying, and in fact what they charged Trump with, is for saying the same exact thing that she just said there. This is the reason why he's been charged in Georgia with the case there with 13 other people. That is a racketeering charge that they have on thrown on him. So it's a very serious charge. And here they say the same thing in the open. So what gives? You know, people need to understand what's going on is a two-tier justice system here. This is outrageous. Why is Trump being held to a higher standard, one that no one else is held to? These people certainly aren't. They get to do what they want, apparently. They're above the law. It's just shocking to me to watch this happen, and people sit there justifying it, say Trump deserves it. Well, maybe he does. But not like this. This affects us all, and not in a positive way. All right, now let's take a look at the next video where I got the snarling face from. Just take a look at this.
I will never be afraid to challenge this illegitimate president. He should be charged with obstructing justice. I believe that the president of these United States can be indicted for criminal offenses.
I will be shining a bright light into every dark corner of his real estate dealings, and every dealing, demanding truthfulness at every turn.
Would those comments have any legal basis for a dismissal here?
I don't know about a dismissal. I'm very, very troubled by them. I think they're completely unethical. I think it's. I actually have spoken with a fellow who's written a book on prosecutorial misconduct, and he's assured me he's going to include a chapter next time on the kinds of statements that are appropriate ethically and inappropriate ethically in the course of an election campaign for elected officials, for judges and prosecutors. I think they're very troubling comments. The government is held to a different standard. And the public generally believes that when they say something that it's accurate. We can't have people targeting particular citizens when they're running for office, especially when there's been no investigation and certainly no finding yet at that time of any culpability. I think they're very troubling. This is part of what I think is driving the polls, in addition to policy issues. I think that fundamentally American people demand fairness, and they don't want to see people targeted, even if they're, sort of larger than life figures like Donald Trump.
Premeditated, planned, and executed. There you have it. Thanks for coming by. This is an American Project. Please be sure to like and subscribe. I sure appreciate it. Thank you very much, and have a great day. God bless.